My name is Carl, marketing professional and your DST here in Toyota Fairview. And nandito na naman po kami sa balance ng Toyota Fairview. And we are going to show you your new Toyota Hilux Conquest 2024. So please stay and enjoy a short video of your Conquest 2024.
Okay na i-vlog mo. Fortuner GRS. Fortuner GRS na para namin.
Guys, pasensya na. Pinaggugulo na naman.
Isang tangkal inventory natin naman.
Tandem ko dito. Hindi nga, papakita ka natin yung bagong 2024. Sawa na sila doon sa GRS na Fortuner.
Walang discount yung bago.
Information para po sa kanila. Okay. Welcome back, Sir Jair. Okay guys, so I have here your Conquest po, no? Now, ito po, challenge. There you go. So sa exterior po na itsura niya, hulaan niyo po, no? 2023 o 2024. Diba? So parang walang pinagbago. Right? So, check natin ano ba ang mga changes ng 2024 Conquest. So, sa harap, see? Ito nyo naman po, no? Same grill. Diba? You have your same headlamps, auto leveling, DRL. You have your fog lamps po. Same din. LED. Diba? Sa hood, same din yung hood design niya. Okay? So by the way, wala naman nagbago sa engine, you know? Same pa rin ang engine type din. Pero later on, discuss natin yun. Sa gilid po, you will have your over fender. Same. You have your rim po, 18-inch rim. Same din. No? You will have your ano ako dito? Yes. Kumutan ko? Step board. Okay. Same. Diba? You will have the same design ng side mirror. Diba? Same din. Door handle. Same. Your sports bar. Same din. Diba? Same decals. Same bed liner. Same sa likod. You have your backup sensor. Ayan. Ito. This one, ano. You have your backup camera. Meron na rin siya. Okay? So, you have your same LED. No? Na rear lamp. Line guide. Same din. So, if we check natin to. This one. No? So, push start engine and smart key entry po siya. Same din. No? Sa headlamp. Diba? Same design. Sa ilalim, meron siyang camera and paddle lamp. Meron din siya. So, what are the changes? Diba? Okay ba? So, for your Conquest po, no? It will come with 2.4 diesel engine and 2.8 diesel engine. So, sa 4x2 Conquest, ito po, no? Wala na tayong manual. Ang meron na lang po din is automatic. Okay? So, 2.4 diesel engine, 4x2 automatic. Wala nang manual. Okay? Now, for your 4x4 Conquest 2.8, yes, automatic and manual. Meron po rin siya. Okay? So, what else? Ito. Hindi. Same naman po ang suspension mo, double wishbone sa likod, lip spring, no? Rigid axle. Now, kapag 4x2 sir, no? Ang iyong brake system, ang likod niya pag 4x2 drum brake. Pero kapag 4x4 po, naka-disc brake na po ang rear wheel niyo. Okay? So, yun po. So, ano ba? Same naman sa taas, sir, ano? Roof rail, pole type antenna, meron din. Yan. Check natin yung loob. Baka doon natin makita ang difference. Okay? Yan, there you go. So, ito po yung door panel. Okay? Yan. So, as of now, ito po yung inyong windows, centralized lock, retractable side mirror mo, and side mirror adjustment mo. So, wala pa tayong auto fold, no? Sa kanya. Now, ito po. Sa Conquest nyo, sir, naka-leather seat tayo. Material. Yan. Okay? You will have an auto seat. Automatic seat adjustment sa driver's side. Okay? Sa mga binagbago ng ng ating Conquest. You will have po your view. Yan, another one po, blind spot monitoring. Meron na rin po ito. Meron na rin po itong rear cross traffic alert. Yan lang po bago sa Conquest. Parking sensors. Okay. Steering wheel, same pa rin naman po. Now, this one will have your cruise control. Diba? You will have your lane trace assist. You will have your vehicle-to-vehicle distance adjustment, no? Ayan. Para sa ano po yan, cruise control nyo na dynamic radial cruise control. Yan na meron po siya. Okay? This will be your instrumental panel. You will have a 9-inch po na display, audio display. Now, ito po sa Conquest nyo, no? Ang inyong Apple CarPlay at saka Android Auto, wireless na po. Yan, connection. Hindi na kayo gagamit ng mga cable nyo. Okay? You have a dual zone AC. Okay? You will have your eco and power mode. Yan. Sa 4x4 po, dito makikita nyo yung knob nyo. Yan. For shifting from 4x4 to 4x2. Yeah. Okay? So, there you go. Yeah. Check natin yung likod. Yan, likod mo, leather seat. And, eto po, sorry. Rear air vents. Yan po ang bago natin sa Conquest. Okay? Alright. Okay, so, actually, yun lang ang changes niya, no? Sa Conquest mo, no? So, ang update po, wala na tayong manual sa 4x2. 4x4, meron kang automatic at saka manual. Okay? Ang price ng 4x2 automatic nasa 1,669,000 na po. Okay? Now, ang Conquest mo still will come with your Toyota Safety Sense. no, pre-collision system, your lane departure assist, no, your dynamic radial cruise control, meron siya. Again, yung bago niya nga, yung blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert. No. So, colors will be available for your Conquest. Same pa rin po. You have your oxide bronze, emotional red, you have your black, you have your gray, and you have your super white. Okay? Kulang ko ba? Wala na. Alright. So, ayun po, no? So guys, if you would like to see an actual unit, no? Para makita yung mga changes, let me know. Just text me, PM me po, no? Look for Mr. Kang. I'll be happy to assist you. Even codes, quotation, please, let me know. Okay, so, sir, ma'am, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and share po, no? Para po sa mga iba natin mga kaibigan dyan who would like to see the new highway. Okay? So, here are my contacts, no? So, let me know if you need me, and I'm looking forward for you all to come here and visit us in the first view. Okay?